investors, how are you today? This is your girl Realtor Maureen. Of course you know me. I am that your best realtor that brings you the best amazing deals in Nigeria and diaspora. I am your realtor who gives you the best real estate options for you to invest in and increase your return on investment. I'm that lady who helps you increase your wealth portfolio through real estate investing, leveraging on real estate sales, land banking, plus a whole lot others. So today, it's another amazing day for us because I'm bringing you an exciting property tour today. Okay, so I'm sure you're wondering, this beautiful, beautiful house you're seeing behind me, where is it located? What is it about these beautiful houses? You would like to know more, right? I'm super excited to tell you about it. Okay. Right here we are in Awoyaya in Lekki, Lagos. Yes, we're in Awoyaya in Lekki, Lagos. That's why you're seeing these beautiful, beautiful, beautiful Terrence duplexes. Of course, I'm going to tell you a lot about it. Just relax. First of all, before we go forward, have you subscribed? Come on, have you hit on the subscribe buttons? How else are you going to get all the wonderful juicy details about properties if you have not subscribed to my channel? Come on, just click on the button, Kim, subscribe now, subscribe. Let Maureen bring you the best real estate amazing deals, okay? So do that right now, subscribe and share to your friends. That you never can tell there's somebody who needs the content that I'm shooting right now. Okay, so let's go back to the property tour. This beautiful property is 4-bedroom terrace duplex that is located right in Awoyaya. But guess what? This actually is sold out. But actually, the developer of this particular terrace duplex is actually doing a 3-bedroom terrace duplex and is selling at the promo price of 60 million naira per unit. Yes, we're right in Awoyaya, just off the expressway, close to landmarks like Green Springs School, the Lekki Golf. We're close to Novare Mall. We're very close to LBS. Also very, very close to natural parks like the Omu Resorts, Lufasi, and the likes. Yes. So if you're looking for an estate where you will have a beautiful, beautiful design like this, 3-bedroom terrace duplex, enough parking space for your cars, in a quiet, beautiful, calm, very friendly environment, then you have to come here. Now, do you know that you can even key in within the next few days, just 3 days from now, you can actually get this particular 3-bedroom terrace duplex for 56 million naira. Afterwards, it goes back to the original price of 60 million naira. Yeah? Okay, so now, even another amazing thing you have to know about that 3-bedroom terrace duplex, in this estate in Awoyaya, you can do an initial deposit of 10 million naira. And then you can spread the balance over a period of 12 months at no additional cost. Isn't that a juicy deal? That's a juicy deal, Jare. It's a juicy deal. Okay, so what you are going to do is, like I said, the developer who developed this 4-bedroom terrace duplex, yes, 4-bedroom terrace duplex is also going to be building in the same location 3-bedroom terrace duplexes as well. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you inside. Yes, I'm going to show you inside the 4-bedroom. You're going to see the finishing and all that, so you will know exactly what you expect in your 3-bedroom terrace duplex. Remember, do a deposit of 10 million naira, spread balance across 12 months, no interest. So right now, let me take you in and show you the beautiful, beautiful finishing in this house. Okay, mind you, it's a bit dark. I'm going to try to use our lights and all that, but please bear with me, come along, let me show you, okay? All right, investors, let me show you this beautiful house. Come on in. Okay, so from what you can see, you've seen that the sitting room is a very spacious one. I mean, sitting room is so damn spacious. I love it. It's beautiful. Oh, this place is fine. This is the living room where you come in. You can see if you can check. Work is still going on here, actually. Work is actually still going on. But if you're noticing, they're doing the right thing by doing the appropriate finishing. Right here is the visitors' toilets. You see? Yeah, so that's where your visitors will come and, wee. Okay. All right. So before Before I actually take you to, the rooms and all that, I think the best thing to see is this kitchen. So come. All right, like I said, work is still going on. Part of the dark light here is because of work is still going on, so they've not put in the bulbs and everything. Okay, so you can see the lovely, beautiful kitchen. I wouldn't want to take this well standard kitchen. They've not even finished work here. Look at everything is already being in place. See? The cupboards, we have the heat extractor, everything you need for kitchen. Yeah. Beautiful space that leads to the exterior, okay? But let's keep going around the house. We still have a lot to show you. Forget the kitchen get store. Yes. All right, okay, so come on. So right now, I'm going to be showing you, I'm going to be a little bit hasty about it, but I'm going to be showing you the houses. Now, this is the first room downstairs. We call this the visitor's room. Yes, of course. So this could be a visitor's room, or you can also use it as a maid room. But anyways, let's go upstairs. Good morning. Okay, so right here is the lounge. Yeah, family lounge is right here. You can see this. This is a big lounge. You can design it any way you want. And let's not forget a box room here. Actually, this is a box room. This leads to a box room. And then we can come and see the master's bedroom. Just basking in the beauty of this place. Can you see the room? Very spacious, beautiful design and finishing. Yes. If you can also see, it leads to the bathroom. The walk-in closet is just right in here. Exactly. That also superimposes into the bathroom. Oh, it's so beautiful. It's actually very beautiful. I love it. Come on, let's go. Yeah. And then we have the balcony that leads outside the house. I'm sure you already love what you're seeing. I'm sure you love it. Okay, I'll just show you the remaining two rooms and that will be it. So because work is going on, we can't really go into that room. You can see there's still work ongoing there. Yeah. Isn't it a beauty? So the three rooms upstairs all come in suites. They have the toilets and bathrooms. Yes, the three rooms all come in suites. Okay. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Oh, did you like what you saw there? Of course I do. Oh, it's quite sunny, but if you really loved this, they've not even finished the house and it's looking so beautiful like that. I think the house is not even finished. So like I said, right here we're building 3-bedroom terrace duplexes with a BQ. All you need to do is do an initial deposit of 10 million naira. You can spread the balance across 12 months, no additional cost. Yes, and it's right here in the heart of Awoyaya, Lekki, Lagos State. Just a 1-minute drive off the road. This estate has the best amenities. Now in this estate, you're going to be having, of course, the gates house, perimeter fencing, street lights, 24-hour security, 24-hour water, swimming pool, gym, plus a whole lot more is going to be coming with this estate. So there's really nothing for you to look outside the estate. So okay, so if you're beautifully loving this property, all you gotta do is call the number that you have been seeing that is scrolling on your screen. Yes, call it. Call it. Router Maureen is here waiting for you to give you a beautiful tour to this amazing property. Catch you. I'm going to see the rest of the videos.